Hi, I'm Ben Messenger for Waste Management World magazine. We're here at IFA in Sorga 2012 in Munich. I'm on the Rheinbraun stand with Jurgen Wirling. Jurgen, can you tell us a little bit about the company?
Yes, sure. At first, thank you very much for your interest in our company and also in our product activated lignites. We are from Rheinbraun Brennstoff and presenting solutions for environmental control, waste gas treatment and filtering systems. And that is what we are doing together with my colleague Richard Arndt and Theresia Böhm. And these technologies are based on activated lignites, which is produced near Cologne. As a fully owned subsidiary of RWE, we are presenting this product and responsible also for the worldwide marketing of the activated lignite for environmental control.
So Jurgen, can you tell us a bit more about HOC? We've been hearing a lot about it here at the show. Seems to be a very well-known activated carbon.
I'm pleased to hear that. For many years, RWE has been producing the activated lignite in its plants near Cologne. The raw material lignite is extracted by RWE in its own surface mines near Cologne, in the surrounding area of Cologne. Because of the special properties, the activated lignite belongs at first to the activated carbon group and is being used for different or many applications for environmental control.
So Jurgen, how can you cover the high amount of activated carbon needed in the future for environmental purposes?
Yeah, here I can say, okay, thank you for this question. With a production capacity of roughly 180,000 metric tons per year, RWE is the world's biggest producer of an activated carbon for environmental control. The reason for this is low-priced production as a mass sorbent in large quantities. I want to mention here else that we are selling only the original and no virgin products because we have to keep our quality management according to our quality management, which we are doing in compliance to the German guideline VDI ISO 9001.
So that sounds very interesting, Jurgen. Can you tell us a little bit more about the other environmental applications that HOC has?
Sure. Typical applications besides water treatment and filtering systems include waste gas treatment in refuse incineration and in steel industry, where the HOK is deployed globally as a very efficient activated carbon. The product has become generally accepted as a high quality activated carbon and also as an alternative to expensive high quality and mainly quite often also expensive activated carbons for the environmental control.
Okay. So how does activated lignite relate to the group of activated carbons?
Yeah, due to the specific surface area and the high porosity of more than 50%, the activated lignite HOK belongs to the group of activated carbon. Thanks especially to the favorable pore structure, the activated lignite HOK has the capacity to retain a large number of pollutants, such as the organic pollutants. Here I want to mention the dioxin and furans, and also the heavy metals like mercury, which is becomes more and more of importance coming from the US, where activated carbon systems are needed for environmental control for mercury removal.
So Jurgen, where are your customers from?
Okay, our customer includes municipal and private companies inside and outside Germany. In Germany, as an example, we have a market share of more than 50%. The same market share we have in France and also in Scandinavia. In Asia, as an example, we are represented by our trading company in Japan, in Tokyo, and also in Korea, in Seoul. Around the world, I suppose approximately 500 systems are in operation with activated lignite for environmental control now.
And how is the product actually produced?
Yeah, today and every year, approximately 50,000 metric tons are used in the environmental control today. And I'm sure that this number will increase in the next year significantly due to the fact that the emission regulations will become more and more stricter, so that there's a need for an activated carbon, and hopefully that we will take a part of this amount which is needed in the near future.
And how is HOC produced?
The carbon activation of the lignite extracted by RWE in its own surface mine is taking place in the so-called rotary hearth furnace, which gave also the activated lignite its brand name HOK. It's the German abbreviation for hearth oven coke.
What products are available?
We offer a wide range of untreated and in the US also a brominated activated carbon for mercury control. In the case of the US, the brominated optimized and performs the activated lignite better for mercury removal. That's the reason why we are producing in the US a brominated activated lignite.
And where could people find out more information?
Finally, of course, I want to invite you to visit our website. It's www.hok.de, where you can find more information regarding the use of activated lignite for environmental control.
That's great. Jurgen?
Yeah, let me hand out a small souvenir to you, and so that you remember this interview together with me. I hope you can read it.
That looks tremendous. Thanks a lot for your time, Jurgen. It's been a pleasure.
You're welcome. Thanks.
Cheers.